Hello, Dolphins. In this video, we will walk you through how to enroll in your classes using Campus Experience. As a reminder, you may add classes to your shopping cart from multiple places like Class Search, Browse Classes, Degree Progress Report, Degree Planner, and the Schedule Builder applications. Once you are ready to enroll, you may navigate to your shopping cart from either the shopping cart widget on your dashboard or select the enrollment section, then choose shopping cart. Both will take you to the shopping cart. First, make sure you are viewing the correct term. The current term may display by default, so change that if you need to before enrolling. Next, click the checkbox under the Enroll button to select all courses, or you may select classes individually for those that you wish to enroll. Before clicking the Enroll button, we highly recommend running a validation check for any prerequisites and enrollment restrictions. Once validation is done, view the results to see if any action is needed. If you see any messages or errors, follow the guidance provided or contact the registrar's office for assistance. After finishing adjusting your enrollment from validation, you may either add additional classes or continue with the enrollment process. The California grant notice will populate. Click the Enroll button to accept and finalize your enrollment. When enrollment is complete, view the messages to see if any actions need to be taken or if you're good to go. So after processing, you will see the results of green squares, meaning successful enrollment, or red squares, meaning something requires your attention. Review the message, resolve the issue, then try again. If you have any questions on enrollment, class options, or understanding your degree requirements, please reach out to the Registrar's Office for Enrollment Assistance or the Academic Advisement Office for guidance on course planning.